Darn it, I made a mistake. And yeah, convection is still going strong. In fact, convection is actually more getting stronger now. Yeah, and you can see it's rotating pretty well. Look at that, guys. Yeah, this isn't good, guys. I mean, look. Yeah, this isn't good. Why isn't this good, guys? Here's why. En route. Okay. That's in Mississippi. Yeah, this is where the center of convection is. Margaret, where is the rice? I want more.
No, don't eat no more that rice after you got enough.
I haven't diarrhea.
After you ain't got no diarrhea. You
No,
been lying down all day. You ain't got no diarrhea
I
after.
had it earlier today.
No, you ain't got no diarrhea after. Come on.
Plus, I like the rice. It's weird. Hey guys, well, let's look at the center. You can almost see where the center of circulation is. It seems like it's somewhere right around here. But of course, that's probably a mid-level circulation. Let's see now. Let's look at some of the latest forecasts for Hurricane Isaias. There's the eye of Hurricane Isaias. Let's look at those winds. Wow, 100-mile-an-hour winds. But let's look at sea surface temperatures. Mm, okay, let's look at sea surface contour charts. All right. So let's look at the east coast here. You see this like yellow and orange. That's a water temperature is greater than 25 degrees Celsius. Greater than that's about 27 degrees. That very warm water temperatures up and down the east coast here. And if you're going to have a southeast wind, you're going to have waters off the Gulf Stream. Just, you know. but also you're gonna have upwelling. So here's how Isaias is gonna come. It's gonna come through here. Water temperature is around 29 degrees Celsius. I mean, very warm waters. I mean, look at this here. Chesapeake Bay is extremely warm. Those are actually accurate temperatures. Temperatures are near 90 degrees here. The only area of cooler waters is here. But here, New York, there's a little area of cooler waters here, but it's just a small area. But most of the most of the waters here, look at this, very warm. So warm, 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 warm. That is conducive. This is actually conducive for tropical development. This is like conducive for like major hurricane. I mean, you could have a Cat 5 riding along this here. You could have a Cat 2 or 3 in this here too. Let's see. That's about 26 to 27 degrees Celsius here. Let's go to calculator. Let's look about 25 degrees. Okay. 25 degrees Celsius would be like, right, like 25 degrees is pretty much just below the yellow. So 26 degrees would be like, 25.8 would be like right here. 25.8 times 1.2 plus 32. That's about 78 degrees. Let's look at here, which is about 27 degrees Celsius here. 27 times 1.8 plus 32, about 80 degrees. Keep in mind that 79 degrees is what is marginal for development. 26 degrees Celsius. In fact, most of everything is 26 or higher. Let's see, 26 degrees Celsius or higher. Keep in mind that water temperatures need to be 79 or greater, and yes, conducive. Water temperatures are supportive of development up and down the mid-Atlantic coast. In fact, with more heat coming in, you're going to be having warm waters just flowing down. You're going to have, look at how warm the waters are here. You're having hot water, like water temperatures that are really warm, flowing into the waters. Plus, you're having warm waters building up here because of the heat waves. The only exception is today, it's kind of cool, but tomorrow and the day up to the storm, it's going to be very warm. So this is the U.S. Atlantic now. And look at where it is. Over very warm waters. It's so much warm waters to just contend with. Just going up the East Coast. Just tons of energy, basically. And look at the 27 plus degree water cell temperatures. So this is 26. This is 27. I mean, the water temperatures, there's a pretty good area of 27 degrees Celsius, 26 to 27. So that's 80.6 degrees or warmer. So that's water temperatures above 80. So let's look at the 26 and 27 degree water temps. A very large area of very warm waters. So keep in mind, those are some very, very warm waters. And Isaias will also pass over these waters, which are 30 plus. So look how far north 28 plus is. And even 30, I mean 28 plus. I mean, look at this. It's unbelievable. I mean, you're having 30 plus here. So water temperatures are conducive for hurricane development up and down the East Coast, basically. I mean, you had that hurricane. What is its name? But keep in mind, 28.6 is already considered warm. So let's look at Hawaii, which is in orange, about 25, 26. So even though water temperatures were similar to what is off the East Coast, let's see, 26 degrees. It's about similar to what is off the East Coast here. You know, let's see, 26 times 1, a little warmer. So water temperatures were a little warmer off the East Coast than about here. So a little warmer off like the Northeast Coast. Let's go to U.S. Atlantic and let's look at here. So orange, this is 30 plus, by the way. 30th of July 2020, so as of yesterday. And with Isaias taking this track, yeah, rapid intensification throughout this whole area is a huge possibility. Look at that, water temperatures between 26 and 28 degrees Celsius. Keep in mind, 26 degrees is, oops, 6 times 1.8 plus 32. So again, on the threshold, but that's on the lower end. 27 degrees is conducive for tropical development. So water temperature's got to be 79 degrees or warmer. And 27 plus 32. Boom, 80.6. So, yep. Keep in mind that hurricanes can form in water temperatures that are 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. You can have hurricanes roaming through here, yeah. Definitely here. I mean, this is definitely tropical. So let's look at the satellite imagery again, just to get a good idea what is going on. This is the visible satellite imagery. So you can see how the winds are shifting around. So where is the center of circulation? Well, it looks like the center of circulation is somewhere in this area, so right around the thunderstorms. You're definitely having a lot of thunderstorms in and around here. I mean, there hasn't been such intense intensification since yesterday evening. So yes, the thunderstorms are a lot more impressive than they were in past 12 to 18 hours. So even when Isaias was declared a hurricane, the circulation and the convection was not that impressive. It was more just like a simple blow up. And that's it. And this is a continuing intensification. I mean, there's continuing to be thunderstorms. In fact, there is a pretty healthy mid-level spin that is developing, and it's passing over waters that are just conducive, but are really, really conducive for rapid intensification. The only thing it's fighting is some shear. I mean, you can see some of that southerly shear coming in right here. But keep in mind, this is also outflow. You can see that it's still being shielded. There's still outflow going on. I mean, there's still some wind shear, but it's not that high right now. It's not so strong that it's being sheared off. And because it's not being sheared off, it's still getting stronger. I mean, look at this. In fact, you could almost see a swirl in there, like right there. See? You could almost see like a swirl, like it's really swirling. I mean, the only thing you're not seeing is an eye developing. I mean, and it seems like it's going northwest, so it looks like it's going to southern Florida, but of course we all know it's not going to southern Florida. Well, actually it is, but so let's look here. Look further east. Let's look at wind gusts, which should be about 80 to 90 knots on this northern side. Or Vermont. Ugh, this looks like another Irene type storm. Oh man. Thank you all for watching, and well, I'll talk make another video later. In the world. Thank you all for watching. Bye. I'm ending this stream right now.